Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Pepe Astuce et Partage. I'm Pepe. In today's video, I'm going to try a different way of cooking puff puff with yogurt. I've never made that before, so please follow the steps and watch to the end. So today I'm going to need some self-raising flour. I'm going to need some yogurt, plain yogurt. I'm going to need some sugar. I'm going to need some salt, pinch of salt. I'm going to need some eggs, fresh eggs, and some oil for cooking. So I'm going to put some more here. I already have some in the pot. I'm just going to add some more oil, kind of halfway. So let's measure 2 cups of flour in this bowl here. Two cups of flour, pinch of salt, break 2 eggs in, bit of sugar. Let's put about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Just mix everything. Mix to combine. I saw this in a big cook I'm following on Facebook. Try cooking, and I just say I'm gonna try it. Now pour all the yogurt. I love trying different ways. Make my cooking less boring, my food yummy. So mix to combine. You need all-purpose seasoning because it's already had its baking powder in it, so no need to add any more baking powder. So now the paste is a bit thick, and then I'm going to add some milk, just a tiny bit. So if the paste is thick, add a little bit of milk. If not, if it's thin, then you can add a bit of flour. So just rinse this up. Make a mess. just add any milk you want. I have almond milk at home, so I'm gonna add some almond milk. If you have milk, you can add water. Just add water to your paste. I'm using the spatula. You can use your hand as well. That's what you want to see. When it starts falling like this, you spoon it and then it falls. Then it's the desired consistency. So for some more flavor, I'm going to add this almond extract, about half a teaspoon. And have nutmeg, and have any other flavor you want. So this is no waiting time. You just have to fry the puff straight after. Just try a little bit to see if the oil is hot. If it goes down and then it comes up just like this, then it's good to go. So I'm not going to make them too big. Go like this. A little bit bigger. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Like that. There we go. It goes straight under and then it comes up. Oops. So you got 10 different ways of cooking. Let's do it. This oil is on a medium heat, and don't make it too crowded. I think I'm just going to put one more and then that's it. Should be okay. So try and flip it over, let it cook the other side. Really good snack. Make it yummy. I think I overcrowded the pot. I shouldn't have put this much. Let's see the next time. And continue my frying. It's still on the medium heat. This one. All done. To the inside. So just eat like this as a snack. Yeah, I'm gonna have it as a snack with a bit of tomato sauce. Time to eat. This is delicious. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit and see you in my next video.